Well, greetings subscribers, welcome back. I wanted to make a follow-up video to my PRIMELIGHTS StingRay XL review, mainly because I've gotten a lot of correspondence from the owner at PRIMELIGHTS, and although I do appreciate their customer service and their follow-through, I believe the guy is just not getting the point. So I thought I'd grab this particular clip and put it here just to show that this is the original $24 4-bulb fluorescent fixture that I got from Home Depot about 10 years ago. And at some point here, I replaced the bulbs with 4 GE 15-watt T8 LED bulbs. They are 6500 Kelvin. So this shows you what I am used to seeing and what I wanted to improve upon. So their advertisement is 6 T8 LED bulbs, higher wattage, and their claim is 19,200 lumens, and the equivalent for fluorescent 32,000 lumens, and there is just no way. So I did this on purpose and wanted to compare their fixture to my old fixture. So I took 3 spots inside the garage and actually ran a light meter test. So I don't have a professional light meter, but I downloaded an app that many people use online for my phone, and even if the numbers and the sensitivity is wrong, it's the same for both fixtures, and really the proof is in the video, so stay tuned. I've got that second part coming up next. Alright, well, I'm back, and yeah, I'm a little pissed that I had to remove the fixtures, 3 or 4 times just to prove my point, but just opening the garage, that 6500 Kelvin just makes all the difference. And yeah, I'm not going to spend much time, chit-chatting. Just as before, we'll take the 3 measurements, so just bear with me. First one here was under the Metropolitan parking sign, and already I'm in the 200 range, and I think last time I was at 122, so this is 202. So right there, it's almost double the lumens, just to the door. And now, bear with me as I make the rounds. But so this was 46 last time up here. I don't want to be in the way. And already I'm at 65. So 46 to 65. That's a big difference. And now for the final, and this is going to be sitting right where the other one was, right underneath the ladder, and I want to make sure that I'm, definitely out of the way. So last time we had 3387, and this is almost 4,000. So it's about where I said before. So the other bulbs were GE 15 watt, and they were, I believe, 1800 lumens, so they were like right at about 8,000 total if you just put the light meter right up next to it. But again, here you go. So I'll just wrap this up saying I don't really say that PRIMELIGHTS has a bad product. It's a very good product. It's well manufactured, for what it is. I mean, it's basically just, some 20 gauge metal bent into the shape with just a small rack of, connectors on it. But, the advantage again was having that motion sensor. But the minute I took the old fixture down and put the new one up, their claims of LED 19,200 lumens and the equivalent of 32,000 lumens just is not correct. So that's where I'm dinging them on the advertisement. So I don't know what they're comparing, their fixture to in their shop or online or on their videos, but maybe it does hold true there in their shop, but in my shop and in my garage and what I was looking for, it's a complete disappointment. So once again, I hope you like the video, and please like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.